Good afternoon, fellow friends and family. I am glad to be here today as a graduate of Lighthouse Bible Believers Christian Academy. The journey to this day has been long and hard. Many times I struggled with certain discouragements and even laziness, but God gave me the strength to persevere. I am thankful to have many people in my life that show much love. I thank my parents for providing the money that I need and for taking care of me. I thank my friends, especially my closest friends, for giving me the encouragement that I need to study hard. I thank my teachers, Ms. Celia and Sir Large, for helping me with my cases and for showing me mercy and patience. I thank the staff, Ate Myra, Rachel, and Ate Belen, for keeping the school to me and for providing the food that they eat. I thank Pastor Robbie and Pastor Gary for guiding me spiritually. Even though I tend to disobey and follow my own path of life, they never stopped to show me care. Lastly, and most importantly, I thank God for creating me and for giving me such a big and wonderful family. Without them, I wouldn't be able to be here today. May the Lord bless us all.